What's the meaning of ascension? Ascension. Ascension.
Ascension. Ascension. Ascension refers to the act of rising or moving upwards, often to a higher state or level. It can refer to physical movement to a higher location, such as ascending a mountain, but is also commonly used in a spiritual or metaphorical sense. In this context, it generally refers to a person's spiritual growth or advancement to a higher level of consciousness or enlightenment. The result of ascension is typically a feeling of transcendence, joy, and inner peace, as well as an enhanced understanding of oneself and the universe.